Good day, children. Welcome you all to the next video session of the lesson Solids, Liquids, and Gases. In the last video, we discussed all about changing states of matter. In this video, we are going to learn about solutions. Do you know what is a solution? At times, we think every liquid we see around us are solutions. However, that is not the case. Let's learn all about solutions in this video. What is a solution? Solutions are a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Homogeneous mixture means one in which the substances cannot be seen separately. For example, when we mix salt with water, the salt dissolves in water and cannot be seen separately. Hence, a homogeneous mixture and we get a salt solution. Components of solution. The substances that make up a homogeneous solution are called components of the solution. It has basically two components, that is, a solvent and a solute. Solvent. The component of a solution which dissolves the other component in itself is called solvent. A solvent constitutes the larger component of the solution. Solute. The component of the solution which dissolves in the solvent is called solute. The solute is the smaller component of the solution. For example, sweet milk and seawater. A sweet milk is a solution of sugar in milk, that is, solid in liquid. Here, sugar is the solute and milk is the solvent. Seawater is a solution of salt in water, that is, solid in liquid. Here, salt is the solute and water is the solvent. Effect of a solute on the volume of a solution. When we add more solute to a solution, does the volume of the solution increases? No. The change in volume when the solute is added to the solution is so small that there is basically no significant change to the overall volume. This is because the molecules of the solute just occupy the space in between the molecules of the solvent. What is solubility? Solubility can be defined as a property of a substance to dissolve in a given solvent. A solute is any substance which can be either solid or liquid or gas dissolved in a solvent. Some substances completely disappear or dissolve in liquids. Such substances are called soluble substances. Other substances that do not mix with water and do not disappear even after we stir for a long time are called insoluble substances. For example, sugar dissolves in water. Hence, sugar is a soluble substance. But sand doesn't dissolve in water. Hence, sand is an insoluble substance. Usually, people think that solutions are some liquid with either a solid or a liquid or a gas dissolved in it. However, this is not entirely true. Any state of matter, either solid, liquid, or gas, can act both as a solute or as a solvent during the formation of a solution. Therefore, depending upon the physical states of solute and solvent, we have different types of solution. Liquid in liquid solution. Example, vinegar. Here, the solute and the solvent are both in liquid state. Solid in liquid. Example, ocean water. Here, the solute is a solid, which is none other than salt, and solvent is water, which is in liquid state. Gas in liquid. Example, soda water. Here, carbon dioxide is a solute, which is in gaseous state, and water is the solvent, which is in liquid state. Solid in solid. Example, steel. It is an iron solvent with a carbon solute. The carbon atoms do not replace the iron atoms, but they fit in the minimum available spaces between them. Gas in gas. Example, air. Air is a homogeneous mixture of a number of gases. The two main constituents of gases are oxygen and nitrogen. Thus, a solute or a solvent can be any state of matter. It can be a solid, liquid, or a gas. Then, how can we tell what type of solution do we get? What will be the physical state of a solution? It all depends on the solvent. The physical state of a solvent will be the physical state of the resulting solution. Miscible and immiscible liquids. Solubility and miscibility, both terms are used to refer to the ability of one substance to dissolve in another substance. Solubility is a general term. It is often used to mean the ability of a solid solute to dissolve in a liquid solvent. But miscibility is used when talking about the solubility of liquid solutes in liquid solvents. Two liquids are said to be immiscible when a distinct layer forms in a mixed solution. Then it is called as immiscibility and the liquids are said to be immiscible. Example, oil in water. A distinct layer between the two liquids will not form when we have a solution which is miscible. Then the liquids are said to be miscible liquids. The layer which forms between two immiscible liquids is called as meniscus. Obviously, miscible liquids will not have a meniscus. Thank you.